Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to link across pages and paragraphs in OneNote. This is essentially creating a clickable table of contents within your notebook, making it much easier to navigate between different sections and quickly jump to specific information you need. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once your notebook has been loaded, you're ready to begin the linking process. Now, this whole process is actually quite straightforward and works similarly to creating hyperlinks in other applications, but it's specifically designed to help you navigate within your OneNote workspace more efficiently. To link across pages and paragraphs, first select the paragraph or text that you wish to be indexed. Go ahead and highlight the sample paragraph or text that will serve as your destination point. This is where you want people to land when they click on your link later. Make sure you've highlighted exactly what you want to reference, as this will be the target of your internal link. Once you've highlighted your chosen text, right-click on it. You'll see a context menu appear with several options. From this context menu, simply click on Copy Link to Paragraph. This action stores the link to that specific paragraph directly to your clipboard, creating a unique reference point for that exact location in your notebook. This is a powerful feature because it allows you to create precise navigation points anywhere in your OneNote structure. Now look at the top part of your screen and click on Insert. From here, you'll see several tools available under the Insert menu. Click on Link to open the linking dialog. A link window will appear on your screen, and this is where you'll configure how your link appears and functions. Start by adding text to the Text to Display field. Just like with regular hyperlinks, this is the text that readers will see and click on in your notebook. It should be descriptive enough that people know where they're going when they click it. Once you've entered your display text, simply paste the paragraph link that you copied earlier into the address field. After both fields are filled in correctly, click on OK to finalize the link. The text from the Text to Display field will now act as a clickable index that takes you directly to the paragraph you linked earlier. When you or anyone viewing your notebook clicks on this text, OneNote will instantly navigate to that specific paragraph, making it incredibly easy to jump between sections and reference materials without scrolling through pages. And there you have it. You've successfully created an internal link in OneNote that connects different parts of your notebook together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.